E. Yep, I got them as well. Yep. E. Yep, you saw at Walmart in 2024 for $20.98. You know what I find? You know what I kind of hate about this is that. Look at that. Even though all the items say 3 and up, but this thing ages 2 and up. I guess it kind of makes sense for the brown design. I guess I don't know. I guess it makes sense, but I'm not like that though. Of course, it's made by Ruz. Yep. 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 Ruz International. Yep. Oh yeah, that's brown too. Honestly, I'm not sure why the ears and the nose and the spot are brown, but even though they're supposed to be black, not brown, but yeah, it's all right. Apparently this year they're actually making a Valentine's one. And apparently this actually on the Christmas one it says "Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown." That's the only the only difference between this and the Christmas one is that on this one it says "Merry Christmas, Charlie Brown." On this thing it has a Santa, and of course this is all brown. And of course the Valentine one it says I've got something like XOXO or something like that. Like oh yeah, Hugs and Kisses XOXO, and of course it had the everything. All this was black. Which is brown on this, everything is black, and of course it didn't have the Santa hat. So it also had a different tag. So that's what's different about that one. I'm gonna try to get the Valentine one too. So yep. And big thanks to my future for also giving me this too. So yep. So yeah, here he is. Yeah, the head kind of does that sometimes. I think it's because the collar, kind of does spin along with the head. So it's not broken or It's not broken or anything. Yeah, it does that too. That's because you can actually move the arms. So yeah, it's not broken or anything. It does that because the collar. It doesn't really bother me. But yep. So yeah. Yee.